Good day, good morning, good evening, and good afternoon. This is Roger Chowdhury, signing in for the BFN, the Business Financial Network. And here we stay committed to keeping our trading club members and viewers connected, educated, and inspired regarding today's top undiscovered, underexposed, undervalued, brand new asset classes and emerging issuers in the world's markets. And today we're very pleased on our growing series, the StockRadar. We're sharing this incredible company that has created the unique technology that brings everyday objects and surfaces to life, benefiting people in a smart and connected world. As an alternative to power-hungry displays in smart objects, Ynvisible offers a technology that is ultra low power, is thin and flexible, which enables a more relaxed, natural product user experience. BFN is pleased to introduce Ynvisible Interactive, symbol YNV on the Tsxv Venture, symbol YNVYF on the OTCQB in the US, and symbol 1XNA on the Frankfurt in Germany. So today we will do our best at the BFN to create a brief overview of key points for our investment community and trading club members as we continually encourage our audience to do your own research before making investment decisions, as the information we are sharing is purely for entertainment and educational purposes. So let's get right into it. Ynvisible, high volume production of ultra low power segmented displays, design freedom, thin and flexible, and cost effective. It's pretty incredible technology. Very impressed with all of what I've seen thus far, and I look forward to discovering more with this investment community today. As you can see, they have a lot of examples here right on their front page. And again, we encourage our investment community, check out Ynvisible with a Y, not an I at the beginning, .com. All on your own to do your own research. So as you can see, the Internet of Things and the way that our everyday life, everything from our payment to our health to branding, identity, everything leading to more and more connectivity. And it seems like Ynvisible here, wow, over 200 customers. Wow, Google, L'Oreal, Arm, Carrier, Cow. Wow, huge names. Huge names. Very impressive. Most energy efficient displays on the market, approaching the nanowatt power era. Ideal for battery driven or battery less Internet of Things devices. Wow, battery less. And they're powering their unit with a lemon. Wow. Thin and flexible with endless design freedom. We have seen enough ugly segmented LCDs and LEDs. The time has come to try something more visually appealing. Experiment with different shapes, forms, and colors. Wow. Cost-effective production. Choosing our displays will reduce cost at both the component level and the system level. Roll-to-roll screen printing processes mean ultra-low cost mass production. Wow. Hey, let's check it out. Let's see it in action.
I am Tommy Höglund and I'm the Vice President of Sales and Marketing for Ynvisible and the Managing Director for Ynvisible Production AB. At Ynvisible Production, we are helping other companies scaling up their business and bringing their products into high volume. The electrochromic display is thin, lightweight, flexible, and has a really low power consumption, allowing you to have a visual interface on almost any product. And really important, it can be produced in high volumes in roll-to-roll production. Roll-to-roll production is basically high volume production, where you can print continuously, for example, electrochromic displays, but also other printed electronics components and systems. We also offer roll-to-roll tester, where we can test each and every component.
Whatever we print in our printing line, we test it here first before we deliver to our customer. And we mark the ones that has not passed the test so that we can avoid using those 5% bad ones or less than 5% bad ones at our customer. And it's very, very useful for our quality control.
After we have printed it, we can also convert it, which means we can laminate on adhesives or barrier films. We can die and kiss cut to singulate the products, and we can slit it into single track rolls.
We have the capabilities in our equipment, but most of all in our very competent personnel. And their competence also allows them to provide the tech transfer sometimes needed to other companies and production sites. Using our roll-to-roll capabilities with both printing and testing, we are today delivering commercial products to our customers. And we are now scaling up, and we can help you through every stage of the process to bring your product to the market.
Wow, cool video. So now let's get into the corporate presentation and obviously the investor relations portion of Ynvisible Interactive's website. Let's look into the management team. As I have always said here on the BFN, it's not only an unbelievable asset class and a revenue model, but more importantly, it's the people and the professionals behind the scenes that really take the company to new levels. Management. At Ynvisible, we believe that the right understanding and technological edge can lead companies towards a successful future. We always seek valuable feedback from our clients and investors in order to learn and evolve. Wow. Like it. Senior management. Michael Robinson, CEO. Michael Robinson is the CEO of Ynvisible and joined Ynvisible's executive team in September 2020. Previously, he was a director of Open Innovation and Business Development for Packaging Innovation at L'Oreal, USA. His role at L'Oreal centered on technology scouting and strategy, business development, and integrating business and design best practices to accelerate and launch new packaging products and experiences. An industrial designer by training, Michael has previously held positions at Hasbro Toys, Bliss World LLC, and Colgate-Palmolive. Very impressive. Yanni Michael Kuzisto, Senior Vice President Ventures and Director of Ynvisible, is a seasoned business development professional at the cross-sections of physical and digital worlds. With over 15 years of experience in the field of printed electronics, Yanni Michael has built extensive networks to customers, suppliers, and researchers in the field, particularly related to consumer packaged goods, Internet of Things, and wearables applications. Yanni Michael was first hired by Ynvisible in 2011 as its Chief Business Development Officer and has been appointed CEO of the company with the closing of the RTO transaction with Ynvisible Interactive in January 2018. Carlos Pinheiro, CTO. Carlos is Ynvisible's CTO. Carlos's PhD thesis was a crucial piece in development of Ynvisible's electrochromic display technology. He is responsible for the technical content of Ynvisible's patent portfolio. He also leads all scientific and technical activities and developments within Ynvisible. Carlos has a PhD in physical chemistry from the New University of Lisbon. Tommy Hoagland, VP of Sales and Marketing. Tommy Hoagland joined Ynvisible in November 2019 as the Vice President of Sales and Marketing. Tommy is responsible for global sales, client activities, and sales channel development. Tommy has nearly 10 years of experience in business development, networking activities, sales, and marketing in the field of printed electronics in Sweden and internationally. He was previously at RISE, a Creo Swedish ICT, a pioneering printed electronics applied research institute. He held the position of Business Development Manager for the Swedish Innovation Cluster, Printed Electronics Arena, and as a business developer at RISE, a Creo. Tommy's efforts focused on bringing to market the printed electronic innovations developed at RISE and at Linköping University, which have resulted in the spin-off of 5 companies. Wow. Darren Urquhart, CFO. Mr. Urquhart is a chartered professional accountant with more than 15 years of experience working in both public practice and industry. Mr. Urquhart obtained his chartered accountant designation in 2001 and is a member of the Chartered Professional Accountants of British Columbia. So it seems like this team has a tremendous amount of experience in this space and all play a very integral role in continuing the development and achieving the milestones when it comes to Ynvisible. Really impressive. So now, as we always do, let's get into the investor's deck. High volume production of ultra low power segmented displays. Their forward-looking statements, all the tickers, and all the exchanges that they're listed on. Market size, wow, $37 billion, and they've cited the research reports there. Displays, conductive inks, and sensors, TAM. Okay, $37 billion market size, that's huge. $10 billion, and this is the healthcare, Internet of Things, and pharmaceutical, labels, untapped market, units. Wow. And that's based on Avery Dennison's investor presentation. An invisible display, SOM, based on the current customer categories, not including current contract printing for energy storage sector. Wow. So it's 93 million, and the energy storage sector is another 81. Impressive. Huge opportunity. Problem, 20 billion RFID tags over 20 years. 1 trillion total sensors by 2025. Estimated cost driven by LCD. Greater than $1. Okay, that's expensive. Intelligence is everywhere, but how to unlock its value? Nice. Logistics monitoring, temperature threshold indicators, and loggers. Wow. That would be unreal. Intuitive visual feedback for temperature excursions. Smart pharma packages, drug adherence, and quality insurance. Wow. Active graphics, temperature tracking, timer reset button. Wow, so you know when to refill. Quite innovative. Authenticity and brand protection. If display changes color, it's a real product. Okay. Authenticity. Authentication. Here we go. NFC authentication, optical effect. Visual image of a result or other event. Wow. Initial ticket, verified entry, exit result. Wow. Incredible. Intelligent wearable wristband. Time since accident, time to take medicine, time to call for help. Okay. intelligent wearable patches for medical, sports, and quantified self. Okay. Yeah, a friend of mine was telling me about these bandages and them registering moisture content. Digital pregnancy tests with reduced e-waste. Reduced electronic waste with thin and flexible organic printed electronics. LCD versus printed organic ECD. Okay. Complex PCB plastics versus printed thin film electronics. Coin cell versus printed organic power sources. Printed electronics. Unreal. Mission: bring everyday objects and surfaces to life, benefiting people in a smart and connected world. As an alternative to power-hungry displays in smart objects, Ynvisible offers a technology that is ultra-low power, is thin and flexible, and enables a more relaxed and natural product user experience. Smart Play, intelligent labels, medical diagnostics. Current customer categories: contract and manufacturing. Smart Play, smart labels, medical diagnostics. So they're showing us all their offices. So they're in Denmark for research, Vancouver corporate headquarters, Lisbon development, Sweden for production and sales. Company, integrated manufacturer, lab to scale, know-how, unique in the industry, common print conditions and quality insurance and quality control in-house, sheet to sheet and roll to roll manufacture. Okay. Single shift display production capacity, 4.2 million, 50 units to more than 10 million units. That's a bit of their roadmap so far. Again, all this information is found on Ynvisible.com under the Investors tab. Financial development. Here we go. So Q2 2021 highlights. 284% increase in customer sales versus Q2 2020. Development and contract printing sales, North American sales team. Milestones, 2020 to 2023 growth. 2023 to 2025 expansion to break even. Short-term focus, double revenue year over year, sales and marketing growth, technology in and out licensing, strategic investment, production capacity expansion. And this is their reported incomes. It's grown dramatically. Well done. Expansion vision. Ynvisible's vision is to bring everyday objects and surfaces to life, benefiting people in a smart and connected world. There's a vast blue ocean of opportunities for printed electrochromic displays and systems based on printed electronics. Tremendous amount of applications here. Look at that little graph there. Wow. Conductive ink, 2.3 billion. Sensors, 3.9 billion. OLED lighting, 25 million. Logic batteries, 81 million. Displays, 30.8 billion. Wow. Okay. They got another breakdown of the team. An experienced international team, 65 plus years in printed electronics, electrochromics, research, and consumer products industries. Another list of their key partnerships and a breakdown of their capital structure. So fully diluted, about 160 million shares. Warrants, 24 million. Looks like they got a large group held by insiders. That's good. So now let's take a look at the chart, as we always like to at the BFN. So as you can see here, it's been experiencing a downward trend, and congratulations to all of our trading club members. As we do know, we've informed our free private trading club members about this stock before this big green bar. So congratulations to all of them that have been able to benefit from that price action. We've been looking at this stock for a while and covering it, as we truly believe here at BFN there's some big things that's going to be coming out of this company. They have the ability of having customers, everything from Apple to Logitech to Samsung, and you've seen over 200 other customers that they're currently working with in partnerships. So we truly here at BFN are very much bullish on the price action here, and we believe currently it's at a discount. Let's look at some of our analysis. We're looking for YNV to break out of this downtrend and retest the 51 cent, 61 cent, and 69 cent, and then look for a move to the 84 cents. So as you can see here, there's levels to this, and we're seeing these levels of resistance and support. After a failed breakout of this downtrend channel, we're trading back inside this channel, and now we're looking for support around 28 cents. We are looking for confirmation over the 50-day moving average for a trend reversal to the upside. We thank all of our audience and our trading club members taking our time here to review this unbelievable asset class that's underexposed and undervalued based on our opinion here at the BFN. Please note, all the information being shared here is for entertainment and educational purposes. We here at the BFN are not licensed financial advisors, and no past performance guarantees future gains or losses. To keep on winning though, you got to keep on watching. We here appreciate your time at the BFN and encourage you to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications, as this is Roger, 10-4, Roger Dat, signing off for the BFN, the Business Financial Network. Stay blessed.